Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. How are you all doing? Today I am going to do a little bit more of the surface crochet. I tried making this flower on a hat I made previously. This, so let us do another flower on the other side. Let us start making a slip stitch. No, a slip knot on the hook, just like that. And I have my slip knot on my hook. Now I am going to pick this stitch right here. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop. Now I have 2 loops on the hook. Now I'm going to make a single crochet. That's a slip surface single crochet. Now I make one more single crochet. 1, 2, I'll do one here, 3. Now turn to this one. Here it is 4, and here it is another one, 5. Now I am going to slip stitch on top of the first single crochet I made. Now let us do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to make 1 double crochet. On the same single crochet. 1, 2, 1 more double crochet, 2 double crochet, and I'm going to make chain 3 and slip stitch to the next single crochet. So as you can see, there is 1 petal done. And right here. Okay, 1 petal done. Then I'm going to make a chain 3 and make the next petal in the next stitch. 1, it's anchored there. Now you can kind of use your hook to bring the yarn down, and the same way you can bring your initial yarn tail also down. Then you can tie a little knot over here. And for this one, I would like to add a bead. Okay. Bring the needle from the bottom to up, thread the bead, then bring it down, go through it one more time, Just secure the bead. Just one more time. Tight inside. Here you have a flower. Easy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment on my video. My Facebook page at Crochet Smash, it has 160 followers at the moment. So if you like my work, please show up on my Facebook page. You can follow that one, or you can follow my Instagram page at Crochet Smash and at crochet_smash. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment and support my channel. Thank you very much for all the supporters. Love you. See you next time.